In this video, we are going to learn about notice writing. So, notice writing plays very important role in our day-to-day lives. When we want to give an information, notice writing plays a significant role. We cannot always give voice message, so we write a notice. So what is a notice? A notice is a formal written communication to inform a group of people about an event. So it is formal written communication. When we want to give information about singing competition or dance competition or a football tournament, we write a notice. Okay? So that people may read and know what is happening. So when we write a notice, it should contain only the essential details, not anything. Okay? So when you write a notice, you should mention the time. That is very important. Secondly, you should also mention date and venue, the place where an event is going to take place. Okay? And secondly, the people for whom the information is meant. So suppose you are giving information to students and you give this information to principal, then it is not the correct way of giving information. So you should write to the students, the right information to be given to the students. And person is giving the information. So let us see a format, how to write a notice. So firstly, when you write a notice, you must write the name of the institution. For example, Indus Public School, Raj Bhavan Road, Jaipur. Okay, this is must. And just below this we write notice. And the notice has to be written in capital letter, not in small letter. And just left side of this we write the date when you are writing the information, that one. Okay? And then you write, you give the information, and then you mention the date, that is must. Then you write timing, and then the venue or the place where the event is going to take place, and then you write signature and designation. So a person who is writing, his designation should be mentioned. Okay? So date, time, venue are very, very important when you write a notice. So after all the information are given, you must draw a box this way. Okay? After all the information are mentioned, then only you have to draw the box like this. That is also very important. All right. Now we will learn about email writing. So traditional forms of letter writing are increasingly being replaced with emails today. So today people are not using traditional forms of letter writing and they are using emails. All it requires are a computer and an internet connection. So to write an email we need to have computer and an internet connection. Emails can be both formal and informal. So just like we have formal letter and informal letter, similarly emails also have formal and informal. So many of the rules for writing emails are the same as that for writing formal and informal letters. So email writing is also as same as writing formal and informal letters. So when we write an email, we should write the email ID of the recipient should be included correctly in the to field as given in the format. To field in the sense to whom we are writing the email. Okay. Secondly, we must mention the subject of the email in the subject field as mentioned in the format of informal letter. So here subject, and this has to be a concise, very short. Okay. Thirdly, we should not mention the postal address or date of the sender or recipient in an email. So we need not write the sender's address and the date. That is not needed. Okay. So here you can see the format of an email writing, that is informal email writing. So here it is given the question: write an email to a friend inviting him to join you at your ancestral village for the summer vacation. So this is an informal email writing. Okay. So firstly you should write the sender's email ID from. Okay, in this section you have to write the sender's email ID. Then to whom you are sending an email. So here the receiver's email ID has to be written. And then we write the subject. And subject has to be also very short. Okay, it should not be very lengthy. And then you write the salutation. Okay, dear father or dear mother or dear friends. Okay, and then of course the information what you want to tell to your friends, to your fathers and so on. Not fathers, to your father or to your mother or your friends. Okay, and then you write a conclusion. Okay, so you can write like this: looking forward to hearing from you soon. In this way you can conclude your email writing. And then of course you write the signature, and first name has to be written in the signature. You need not write your full name. Okay, and it has to be, when you draft an email you must draw the box like this. Okay, you should not forget, you should draw like this, and you have to make it attractive. Okay,